Collaborating with Quadrant again was brilliant because it allowed us from the beginning to go in and say, we've got a new show that's coming up, we've got a different size stand, we want to utilise what we've designed with you already, but we need a few adaptations, and it was a seamless process going through from the account manager through to the designer and the project manager through to us collecting it on the day, so it worked out perfectly.
Working with Quadrant is very easy. It was easy from the start and easy again. Yeah, we had to change the design a little bit, but as I'm aware from my beautiful partner Sarah, it was so easy, and then they just changed a few bits and here we are, got a new stand again. So easy, stupid and effective. Easy, simple and effective, not stupid.
Our stand has stood out, I think, within this sort of in the exhibition. So people have come to actually find out what it is we're doing, and I think it's quite clear what we offer. So it's helped alongside having an exhibit of our product as the beer garden as well. So having the two together has definitely kind of helped demonstrate what we offer.
So I love the stand. Absolutely amazing, like always. Like the last time, so easy to do. You know, anybody can do it. And then you get such an impactful appearance as such. So people walk around and some of them don't even know what we do, but then when they stop and look, then they quickly realize. But it's because it's so impactful, people stop straight away and then they're like, and then they either ask or they keep walking. But yeah, it's definitely impactful.
Yeah, it was really good. Having done it before, it enabled us to understand how the product works and reinstall it in a slightly different configuration than we had last time, but we managed it, and as you can see, I think because you never really know what it is that you're going into or what shows might come up, every show is going to have different opportunities for size and space, and we always wanted something that allowed us to adapt, whether it be growing or shrinking down in size. And the last time we used this stand, we had 3 sides on it, but this time, because we wanted an open side, we only needed 2 of them, but the design allowed us just to do that, which was brilliant with the system that's used that Quadrant offer.